Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at the new Sudio T2 True Wireless Earphones. Now Sudio are a Swedish company and they've kindly sent along two of their latest new releases for me to look at. I've unboxed the white ones, but what I thought I'd do is keep the jade colour as a kind of fresh box so I can go through the unboxing experience as we run through the specs and stuff as well, so you can see how it all opens out. So let's go over some key specs as we start to open up the T2. So we've got 4 different colours available for these. We've got white, jade, they also do sand and black. I requested these 2 colours just so you could kind of see them on camera, because the colours do look a little bit different in person to what they look like on the website in some cases. So I thought we'd take a look at 2 different colours so you can see them in person. So we'll go through the box and unboxing experience. Now, when you finish watching this video, if you think you want to pick up a pair of these, I've actually got a discount code for you guys. You can use the code JordanAsh15. I'll put it in the description so you can copy and paste it. And that will give you 15% off your order. And that is active for the next 6 weeks. So if you do want to pick up a pair of these, then do it while the code's on and you can save yourself some money. So these are going to be retailing at $99.99 in the UK, or about $129. So let's go through the unboxing experience. So we'll put one to the side for now. So as I said, these are true wireless. They do also have active noise cancellation as well. You've got 2 modes, so you can have a pass-through, so you can hear environmental sounds, and just a standard fully blocking sound, which is quite nice. Now, I found that even without active noise cancellation on, they still blocked out sounds really well. So it might be something you might not need. In terms of battery life, it does get a little bit affected by using ANC, so you could also save yourself some battery there. You get 35 hours using the battery case, and then you've got 7.5 hours with the full charge, and then up to 6.5 when you're using ANC. So you do get a little bit less time using ANC, but if you're in a noisy area, then obviously you're going to want to put that on. This is a really nice colour actually. It looks a lot, so this is what I meant. It seems a lot darker on the box than in person, but I think I actually like the shade in person a little bit more than the photos. I will get the white out just to show you as well. So there's the white. It's kind of like a soft touch material. It's actually really nice to feel. There isn't actually any kind of indentation to lift the lid. It's just using that kind of resistance from the soft feel material to open it up, and then the same again to take them out. Now I'll also put these to the side for now while I just cover off the rest of the things included. So if we take this little box out, we've got our replacement ear tips in the top. They come with mediums as standard, which is why I found that they work, perfectly fine for me straight out of the box, but you've got different ones in there should you need them. Large, small and extra small. I like as well that they actually match the color of the earbuds as well, so they're not just clear, they actually are themed for the same color. You've also got a nice little cleaning cloth in here which has got some information about their additional 3-year warranty that you can end up with if you sign up to the Sphere program, and they also give you free delivery as well, which is nice when you order from the website. And then we have the charging cable. This is a USB-C. Nice to not see, no pun intended, it's nice to not see micro USB anymore. I'm glad we're past that, because it was a really horrible cable. And there we go, nicely color themed again. Now you may have noticed, you may not, there's no plastic in this packaging whatsoever, which is, I really do like that. They're really, Sudio are really conscious about environmental impact of plastic, so there's literally no plastic that you're just going to chuck in the bin, which is really nice. So we've got an owner's guide, warnings and precautions booklet, and then that's it for the box. So let's get these to the side. So onto the actual earphones. Now this does say to charge them fully before you use them. That's just a little paper tag you can pull off. So these are using a 8mm dynamic driver. They actually have sweat and splash resistance as well, which is nice. If you're going to be using it for the gym, that's going to be a good benefit there. They've got touch controls on the side. They all perform different actions. So for example, if you press once on either earbud, it will play, pause, or answer a call. We've got 2 clicks which will go previous track on the left earbud, and then on the right earbud it will go for the next track. 3 clicks on the left will go volume down, 3 clicks on the right will go volume up, and then you can press and hold for 3 seconds to either reject or cancel a call. ANC is just 2 seconds of press on either earbud. Then you've got 2 different stages. The first one is full out ANC to cancel out all sounds, and then you've got the pass through, which allows some environmental noise through, which is great if you're commuting, you know, to make sure you're going to be safe when you're crossing roads and things like that. They've also got beam forwarding microphones, so if you're taking calls while you're out and about, then you're going to get a good clarity on your call and a good sound. So as I said, it's got a nice soft touch material, and that goes through to the earbud as well. So it gives you a nice grip when you're taking it out of the case and putting it in your ear as well. Really simple to put in. So there you go, and I'll put the other one in as well just to demonstrate. They're not going to fold out. It's got sweat resistance. It's going to be really handy if you're going to be using these in the gym, so you don't have to worry about them falling out either. Now if we just look on the back of the case, we've got a USB-C port for the charging. On the bottom there's a button which will give you a battery indicator on there as well. If you do just a 10-minute charge, it will actually give you 2 hours of playtime, which is really great. For example, I would do generally about an hour and a half at the gym when I go, you know, on that blue moon occasion. But for example, that will give me enough time to get to the gym and back by walking, and then the actual gym session as well. So just 10 minutes is really good, you know. So even while you're getting ready, just pop them on charge, and that's enough for your whole gym session. So that's pretty impressive. So the main reason you're here, of course, is to hear how they sound. I did use the white ones as soon as they arrived, and obviously kept the jade to show you on the video, but I did find them to be a very good performer. Bass is tight. I would say that if you're a bass enthusiast, these are a good pair to go for. If you're obsessed with bass, probably not quite as deep as you might want, but considering they are very small and 8mm drivers, it is very good still. Probably over ears are going to be the thing to go for if you're, you know, that extreme with how much bass you want in your ear holes. In terms of mids and highs, the mids are good. Highs, I would say there are a couple of times they're a little bit shrill for a couple of tracks I heard. ANC can play a little bit of a part in that as well. When you don't have it on, or you have the environmental sounds coming through, it's less drastic. I think it's more when it's just full ANC. So I wouldn't say that that's anything to put you off buying these at all. It's, you know, every now and again you might find a track like that. In terms of comfort, very comfortable. I like the soft touch material. That's one thing I really do like. And the, you know, charging 10 minutes or 5 hours is really great. I would like to hope that Comply will make some of their foam tips for these, which would be really nice. Obviously get a better seal with those kind of tips as well, which also may make the bass sound better as well. So we shall see if they will do that. They do a wide range of different manufacturers, so hopefully the Sudio will be one that goes on to that. Other things to note, Soundstage and stuff is great. Deadmau5 is one of the artists that I listen to when I try out headphones, and you can hear layering really nicely, separation, where instruments are placed and things like that. You can pick them apart quite well. Now, I haven't used a Sudio product before, so I went into it with kind of mid-level expectations. But I think for £99, these are really great, especially if you've got ANC in there. That's not something we generally see under £100. The 10 minutes charge for 2 hours playback I really like, and just the soft touch as well, which is really nice to handle. But yeah, I would have no problem paying that myself if I was looking for a pair. So I would recommend these if you're in the market for a pair of True Wireless. So I will leave a link for these in the description box down below if you want to get a pair. Don't forget to use the code JordanAsh15 so you can save yourself 15%. So you can actually get them for 85, which is even better. So now's the time to do that. You've got 6 weeks with that code, so make sure to get them before then if you want to pick up a pair. So I think that's it for this video. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for Sudio for sending things out for me to review. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and ding the bell so you didn't miss one. And I'll see you all in the next one.